Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and greetings. Ali Shamma here. Arish and Hadi are playing their trucks today at this spot. This is our picnic. Hadi is driving, I forgot the name of this truck. When he was young, actually I gave it to him and he used to drive that nicely. He is still able to control it. The truck is nice and tough, is still alive. Ooh, Arish did a nice jump. Arish is driving the HBX, the new one I just reviewed. And he's showing some feisty, fast controls on it. Bashing it. Run, baby. Hadi is struggling to climb up. Hadi's truck got stuck. Go backward, Hadi. I tell you what, you should set a course and race each other. Hadi, go run. Come on, do it.
I don't race.
No, it's not the race, it's just driving laps. Arish is hitting Hadi. Hadi, bring it over for a jump here, next to you. Come on.
Okay.
Whoa, Arish, that was a nice jump, man, there. Right? Oh, Hadi, you dropped the brake or what? No. Come on, Hadi, straight, yes. Drive straight, you can do it. You can do it. Show me the jump. Come on, Arish. Hadi will also show me a jump. Ready? Go! Whoa, that was nice, man. Now Hadi is going to show us a jump. Come on. Whoa, that was nice, Hadi. Arish is truly bashing this truck. That this truck is still alive. And look at that truck. I mean, this truck has been with us for 2 years. Still alive and kicking. Ta-da! Turtles!